Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sennheiser TVCE1 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your Bluetooth, or they're not syncing with your device, or not pairing, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, and you've already tried a soft reset, this hard reset to the factory default settings will very often fix the issue. The second reason is if for whatever reason you just want to delete everything off of these so that you can just set them up like they're just coming out of the box new, this will do that for you, and it's very easy to do. All you need to do is you're going to start by putting the earbuds in the case and making sure they're just seated properly in the case. And then you're just going to come in and you're going to press and hold the pairing button on the case. And just press and hold that button for 2 seconds until you see a blue light. And then once you see a blue light, then you can wait until all 3 of these lights blink blue. Once they all blink blue, then we're just going to quickly tap again on the pairing button 2 times. Tap, tap. And once we do that, the earbuds will reset to their factory default settings, and then we will get an orange. These will blink in orange, indicating that that has been successfully performed. We can go ahead and set these up as a new set of earbuds.